When I fall, you hold me close. With no words, I feel your love. Through it all, you never left. You're my home, my heart, my hope. Because we're family, because we love and love.